Hello everyone, Namaste sabko. This is Ananya Shah. Today I'll be sharing with you all a very simple yet very profound technique. This is known as instant state shift technique or exercise to get our desired result. जो आप पाना चाहते हो वो पाने के लिए एक जो हमारे जो वर्तमान स्थिति है our mind state, so that if we bring a change to that state, so that we can achieve that desired state, where we wish to reach. This is this profound technique. Okay, so let's get into a confident posture first. आंखें बंद कर लीजिए for a moment and let's take long deep breaths. Okay, sit or stand tall, कंधे ढीला छोड़िए and lift your head up. Okay, spine erect and feel that confidence in your posture. Okay, now notice the change that you feel when you are in this posture. Okay, कैसे आपको महसूस हो रहा है अंदर, आप जब इस posture में हो, confident posture में हो, आपको कैसे अंदर से महसूस हो रहा है. Now as you breathe in, आती हुई सांस के साथ फील महसूस कीजिए कि आप ऊर्जा और अपने शरीर में ऊर्जा और शक्ति आ रहे हैं. पूरे शरीर में ऊर्जा और शक्ति है. और जाती हुई सांस के साथ एज यू ब्रीथ आउट, लेट गो ऑल योर टेंशन, नेगेटिविटी और डाउट इफ़ एनी. सभी परेशानियाँ आप महसूस कीजिए कि आप जब सांस छोड़ रहे हो या आपके सांस छोड़ने के टाइम पे ये परेशानियाँ जा रही हैं. नाउ द सेकेंड स्टेप वुड बी शिफ्ट आवर इनर डायलॉग. ठीक है, now let's start feeling some positive and supportive thoughts in our mind. And let's say to ourselves something like, I can do this. Okay, I am capable. I deserve good outcomes. I deserve good outcomes. I deserve to be best. I have what it takes. और ये ऐसे फील कीजिए ऐसे it's very very natural, very normal and something which is believable. Now picture yourself handling challenges in real life and doing well, and you are moving ahead in your life. The third step is bring confidence into your face and your body. Okay, so have a gentle and have a beautiful smile on your face. एक हल्की और सुंदर सी मुस्कान अपने चेहरे के ऊपर रखें. Okay, and feel the confidence not as just as a thought, but it is like your own self. Okay, ऐसे सोचिए, महसूस कीजिए that you are walking, talking, okay, showing up with that calm and composed posture which people around you are noticing. Okay, now अब जब इस स्टेट में हो, create that trigger. Last time I shared that when creating a trigger, when you press your thumb with your finger, that's one type of trigger. Okay, anything, जैसे आप ऐसे भी लूज फिस्ट को आप मुट्ठी में, you can just tighten your fist like this, like something like yeah. Okay, this is a trigger. Also place your hand on your heart, something like that. So ये आपके ऊपर है. जो जैसे स्टेट में आपकी ऊर्जा शक्ति बहुत आगे है, यू हैव इन डिफरेंट वेरी वेरी अपलिफ्टेड माइंडसेट, यू जस्ट डू दी जेस्चर विच यू फील द बेस्ट फॉर यू. सो दैट्स ट्रिगर करने से क्या होता है, व्हेन यू आर इन दैट यू क्रिएट अ ट्रिगर और एंकर, दैट स्टेट ऑफ माइंड गेट्स टैप्ड इनटू योर बॉडी एंड ये रह जाते हैं. So whenever you feel like returning to that state, you just do that trigger of yours that usually you do or you can follow. ठीक है, जो आपको याद आ जाएगी जल्दी से, that's your natural self, and it's something like that, like something for me it's like this. Okay, so that you can create your trigger. Okay, और ये जब ट्रिगर क्रिएट करेंगे तो कनेक्ट it to this confident self of yours. Okay, now the fifth step, see the desired result. Now imagine the result that you want, visualize that it's already happening in present. Future का जो result आपको चाहिए, right, that you are succeeding, something like you are achieving your goals, in you are handling situations very well, in your personal life you are handling or maintaining your relations very well, you are proud and you are fulfilled, something like that. So let those emotions you feel that you are already having it. Okay, and finally to decide and commit, एक inner commitment. Okay, that I choose to, something like I choose to show up this way every time. Okay, ये जो आपने प्रोसेस फॉलो की, ये अगर आपके साथ रह जाते हैं इन फ्यूचर, दैट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल इंडीड. Okay, it research says so, and it is already then people have applied this, they got the result. I'm sure it will help you all. Like I choose to act, something like I choose to act henceforth from this confidence. Okay, I am moving forward towards my desired result by observing this. Okay, so take one more deep breath. Okay, open your eyes and carry this beautiful state with you. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned. I'll be coming up with other sharings shortly with my upcoming videos. Thank you.